Findings of these patients, where the first one is going to be mid-systolic click, which is due to the undue stretching of the caudate tendineae, and subsequently there would be a late systolic murmur due to effective coaptation of the valve leaflets. I would like you to listen to the murmur now. Do not mix this murmur with that of ejection systolic murmur of valvular aortic stenosis, and you can listen to the murmur now. I would now like you to pause this video, rewind, and then listen to the murmur, which is late systolic murmur versus ejection systolic murmur, so that you become thorough in picking them up in your patients in real time. The third examination finding would be effect of squatting versus standing on the duration of murmur of mitral valve prolapse. Well, on squatting, the murmur duration becomes relatively shorter, and on standing, the murmur duration becomes relatively longer. All I can say is, if I'm squatting, my height will be lesser as compared to when I'm standing. So on a squatting, the murmur duration is shorter as compared to that on standing. That would be a quick hack to remember regarding the variation in the duration of the murmur with squatting versus standing. The investigation